5 little ducks went out to play, waddling along in the bright blue day, over the hill and past the tree, quacking a tune so wild and free. Mama duck called, "Come back, come back," but one got lost on a winding track. 4 little ducks swam in the stream, chasing the ripples, lost in a dream. 4 little ducks went far and wide, splashing around with joyful pride. Mama duck called, "Come back, come back," but one stayed back by a lily stack. 3 little ducks found a log to climb, jumping and tumbling, oh what a time. Mama duck called, "Come back, come back," but one got stuck on a mossy track. 2 little ducks played hide and seek, diving so deep in the pond so sleek. Mama duck called, "Come back, come back," but one made friends with a fish so black. 1 little duck, all alone and small, looked around but heard no call. Mama duck called, "Come back, come back," and all 5 ducks came running back. Now 5 little ducks stay near and tight, listening to Mama from morning to night.